Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE Gurus. In the previous video we have done with this solve me first question, which is in the HackerRank problem solving. Now we'll go to the simple array sum. Anyway, this is in the subdomain warm up. So we'll see this question now. I have given the link of this question in the description. You can check the link. So the problem statement here, it is asking simple array sum. So the elements are given in an array. You just have to print the sum. If it is 1, 2, 3, the total is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. You must return it. So complete the simple array function. If you see the some more test cases, there are n value it is given 6 elements, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 plus 11 has to be done, which is 31 is the output. You need to get it. It's a simple elements has to be made it as sum. So the logic here, it is simple to take each and every element and you have to make it sum. So we'll try to write the code in Java. I selected Java 15 and here all the input packages are given, and in the class result you have to implement this one, public static and simple array sum. It is given, you have to return an integer and the elements are given it as a list. You can see here list of integers. Anyway, the main function readily available, everything. I suggest do not touch it, everything. So only you have to implement this code. So we can see the code here. For example, these are the elements 10, 7, 5, 6, 4, totally 5 elements. Here you can see the list where AR. So the size of the list, which is 5, total 5 elements. S is initialized to 0. I starts from 0, it will go up to the size. AR.size is the size is a method available in the list. You can get how many elements are there in the list. So S equals to S plus, how to get the value in the list in a particular index? You have to use the get method. So AR.get of I, what is I value initially? 0. Get of 0, get the value 0, 10. So will be added. Next second time, next element in the index 1, 7, 10 plus 7, 17. Next time the element 2, which is 17 plus 5, 22. Next one 6, which is 28, and next one 32. Totally plus 4, that is 32. So finally the value when you come out of the for loop is 32, which must be returned. So we'll try to run this code. Yeah, successful, and submit the code. We'll check it out, the 3 test cases which are passed. You can see here. So like this easily you can write the code. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos, which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can see each one, you can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We will see this compare the triplets in the next video lecture. Thank you.